Myself, Lal Kushwaha, pursuing first year MMS from SS Institute of Management Studies. Today, my topic is balance sheet. First, I will introduce our balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a company assets, liabilities, and shareholder equities. The balance sheet is one of three income statements: statement of cash flow, being, and the other two are the financial statements used to evaluate a business. Definitions of balance sheets: statement of the assets, liabilities, and capital of a business or other organization at a particular point in time, detailing the balance of income and expenditure over the preceding period. Features of balance sheets: a balance sheet is the only a statement and not an account. It has no debit side or no credit side. The heading of two sides are assets and liabilities. It is prepared at a particular point of time and not for a particular period. The information contained in it is true only at a particular point of time at which it is prepared. It is summary of balance of those ledgers which have not been closed by transfer to the trading and P&L account. It shows the nature and the value of assets and the nature and the amount of liability at given date. Needs of balance sheets: to ascertain the nature and the value of assets of a business, to ascertain the nature and the amount of liability of a business. Third, to find out the business solvency of an enterprise. An enterprise is considered to be a solvent if its asset exceeds its external liabilities. Basic principle of balance sheet: most business borrow money to help them to operate. A balance sheet has a special section called source of funds. This shows how much money has been borrowed or invested and where it comes from. The term balance means that all the money invested or borrowed source of fund must be accounted or in other sections called net assets. General format of balance sheets are assets and other sides are liabilities. In assets, it comes current asset and non-current assets and total assets. In liability side, it comes current liability, non-current liabilities, and total liability. It also comes owner equity, total liability, and owner equities. Balance sheet items. There are few classifications: assets, liabilities, shareholder equities. In assets, it comes marketable securities, property, plant, machinery, equipments, etc. In liability, it comes short-term debt, account payable, shareholders, it comes paid in capital, retained earning. Advantages of financial accounting. There are few advantages of financial accounting. Maintain business records, prevention and detection of frauds, present a true financial position, helps in preparing financial statement, comparing of results, act as a legal evidence, assists the management. Maintain a business record. Maintain a business record means keep a complete record for an account department. Prevention and reduction of fraud by the auditor can be achieved through a combination of control of test and procedure. Present a true financial position. We can get a long-term obligation by presenting a true financial position. For example, cash, government securities. Helps in preparing financial statements. By preparing financial statements, we can get easily long-term investment from the long-term loan from the bank. Comparing the results. By comparing a result from the previous year, we can easily get a profit and loss, how much we have earned in the in current year. Act as a legal evidence. Auditor, in audit we can act as a legal evidence by giving a document to the bank. We can get a limited OD account, OD, certain amount of certain amount for certain amount to use in a business for such as OD account. Assets the management, performance the management terms, providing expertise financial reporting. Disadvantages of financial accounting records only financial experts. It considers only monetary transaction, for example, economic condition, political situation, government rule, etc. Historic in nature, it concerns as a source of fund. Providing insufficient information, it also provides some insufficient information by in balance sheet, so the so the people can misguided from the balance sheet. No cost control method. Sometimes we can easily sometimes there is a no cost method in the balance sheet. Any cost has been written by the tax auditors, may be manipulated. Sometimes we can easily manipulate our balance sheets by the CA accountant from account departments. Records actual cost has shown not properly, find some difficulty while doing a tally. Assets, current assets, non-current assets. In current assets comes short terms likely to be converted into a cash within a year, cash in hand, cash at a bank, inventory, trade receivable, etc. Non-current asset is come for a long-term purpose, not likely to be converted into cash within a year. Fixed assets, long-term investment, goodwill, patent, etc. Liabilities, current liabilities and non-current liability payable within a 1 year. In non-current liability, payable within payable after 1 year arise from routine operations, account payable, bank overdraft, etc. In non-current liabilities arise from long-term funding, long-term loan, debentures, etc. I would like to conclude myself. Lower leaks due to a long-term balance sheet which combines to allow the company to raise their loans and significantly at lower rate of interest get from the bank.